This is a general reading for everyone right now na nanonood na video na to. Spirit guides, archangels, and angels and universe, please guide us. What are the messages that people here need to know right now? Okay. First, I can see here with this card na you need to be more confident about yourself. You are experiencing some challenges or parang may competition or competitive situation akong nakikita dito. And your guides telling here na kailangan mo lang mas maging confident pa sa sarili mo tungkol dito. No? Kasi you have the potential. You have the potential to compete. You have the potential na sabayan yung mga competitors na to or ibang competitors na to. Nakikita ko dito na mas maganda instead na parang maging masyado kang competitive towards them or towards the other competitor, mas maganda kung makikisama kasi sa kanila for some reason here para meron ka ring peace of mind. Like for example, being competitive is okay, syempre. Pero it doesn't mean naman na parang i-hate mo na or magbibigay ka na ng hate or magpo-project ka na ng hate or any negative comment doon sa other competitors. Mas maganda pa rin yung kasundo mo, yung ka-competitors mo or yung ka-compete mo, mas okay yung energy. Pag ganun, another thing for some other of you, nakikita ko dito na may missed opportunity na pwedeng mangyari. Kumbaga may opportunity sana sa'yo sa trabaho, sa work, or about sa career mo. Ang kaso nga lang, sa super stuck mo, sa ibang situation, is parang mamimiss opportunity mo to. Kumbaga hindi mo mag-get or hindi mo makukuha yung opportunity na to. Dahil sa distracted ka. Yung iba naman sa inyo, I can see here na you are separated with someone right now. Nakikita ko dito na parang you feel distant or yung iba sa inyo maybe an LDR and nakikita ko na parang kakagaling lang sa separation. Let me see kung anong guidance para sa inyo na nakakaranas nito right now. I can see here na medyo nahihirapan ka about the separation. Maybe hindi ka maka-move on or maka-move forward. But I can see here na you need to make some plans about your life right now. You need to make an action about your life right now. Hindi sinasabi dito na mag-move on ka agad-agad or mag-move forward ka agad-agad. But you need to consider moving forward and moving on at the same time. Hindi ka pinipilit or force na agad-agad, but kailangan mong i-consider para na rin yan sa sarili mo. May mga bagay na kailangan mong pagplanuhan. Let me see kung about saan. About your family ito or pagpo-provide mo sa family. Maybe you need to make an action pagdating sa career path mo. You need to allow yourself to explore, no? Nakikita ko dito na makakatulong ka naman sa family mo someday, don't worry. And nakikita ko rito na may bad habits ka or bad behavior na lagi mong ginagawa na kailangan mo na rin ibahin or baguhin or kailangan mong maging aware of. Yung bad behavior na ito is yung pagiging victim mentality, yung mentality kung saan parang you always see yourself as a victim in every situation. Of course, if ikaw naman yung biktima, that is valid. Valid naman yan lahat eh. Yung pain na nararamdaman mo from your ex, yung victim mentality na meron ka lahat, valid yan lahat of course. But if you have a good energy kasi pagdating sa career mo or sa blessing, ayan kasi yung mga blockages, yung mga negative energies na pinoproduce niyan. Yung negative energies na pinoproduce about your ex, yung negative energies na pinoproduce about your toxic behavior, yung energy na pinoproduce about your victim mentality. So those are negative energies that's blocking your blessing. And nasa sayo yan. If gusto mo na bang i-clear out yung mga blockages na yan, then you need to make some way para i-fix yan. Okay? I-fix or i-handle rather. Is there anything pa ba? For the last one. Okay, for the last one na. Okay. Another thing na nakikita ko dito for the last one, yeah, hindi, kung may hinihintay ka na feeling mo never dumadating or hindi talaga siya dumadating, there's something about your life na you want to receive talaga. It's either na breakthrough about in different aspect of your life, or it's either na parang some blessing na you want talaga na mangyari sa buhay mo, opportunities. Hindi yan dahil sa malas ka or unlucky ka. It's more on na it's because you're having some personal problem right now, and your guides wants you to focus on your mental health muna. They will give you kung anong gusto mo the moment na medyo okay ka na sa mental health mo. But right now, you need to focus here sa mental health mo. You need to give yourself some space and some time alone muna in order for you to reflect sa lahat ng mga pinagdaanan mo, in order for you to realize a lot of lessons sa mga pinagdaanan mo, and in order for you to have some space and time to heal yourself bago nila ibigay sa'yo yung panibagong journey na tatahakin mo. Take your time. Kung feel mo alone ka or lonely ka right now, that is a solitude, and it will help you to heal yourself more. Alam ko na mahirap ang solitude dahil you will feel more alone, and you will seek, or parang mas maghahanap ka kasi dyan ng someone to depend on, or ng someone na parang gusto mong may mag-comfort sa'yo. But at this time kasi, your guides telling here na you need to fight these battles alone. Okay? In order for you na to learn how to handle yourself talaga ng ikaw lang. Okay? So, yun lang yung mga messages na natanggap natin for you guys. So, good luck!